this is something where you have a left L5S1 and down here lower right PIEX ilium. So the palpation is like definitive for me. So this is a rare situation, almost never in this office, where I'll do both sides, but to affect two different things, because her lower back is a little, dare I say, I never use the term out of alignment, but we're gonna say that right now it's shifted this way and back, and it's pulling all this right fascia down. And then this right here is internally stuck, where we're actually gonna do like a pull or like a lift maneuver for her lumbar, for the facet joints on the left. That's why a lot of people will say like, oh, I just need to get cracked, I just need to get cracked. Is okay?
Yes.
Little stretch, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're right over here on our mark. That's what we mark in the GONSTEAD system.
Mm-hmm.
Why we mark what we mark.
Mm-hmm.
I won't trap you. Good.
No sé.
This is not crack one side and crack the other side. This is very specifically affecting the facet of L5S1 with a little bit of discogenic involvement. And this is a SI, sacral iliac joint correction. Scoot forward a little bit, poquito, right there, perfect. Perfecto. I won't drop you, even though your leg is hanging off, okay? You comfortable?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Look this way, straight. And there's my mark. This arm comes up out of the way. This way. See, a little bit. Relájate.
Oh.
Me sacó eso. Sí. Entonces es lo mismo que tengo yo. I think I have the same thing as she does.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Okay.
Oh, good.
Amazing.